together. Oh, I'm going to move again, aren't I?
Are you going to... Yeah, we'll do it both ways.
Ready?
Wait, Mum, if I did it.
3, 2, 1. No, Angels! Oh, my friend! I'm on the floor!
Oh, my back, look!
Are you having fun down there, Mum?
Yeah. Oh, that's cold!
Woo!
That's cold! Oh, my God!
Yeah, but now you've got to do it head first. We have fun.